Oh, this was my first time using the Arrtx marker. I painted this, and this, and this one, and that one. Here we go, another creative video. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And this is another video to decorate my craft room like I did with my stars. I still love them. Ah. And if you want to check out the video, it's gonna be here somewhere. But let's get to what I'm planning to do in this video. Oh my god. A while ago I bought these wooden boxes. They come in a pack of 5. And what I wanted to do with them, I wanted to decorate my garden. Because it needs a little bit of colour, it needs decorating. But then I kept thinking, oh, this is like really thin, not cheap wood as such, because they're made really well, they're really good. But if I put this outside, it's definitely going to rotten, no matter how much I cake it into the protective sealer. So I thought, oh, why not do something for my craft room? And my idea evolved so much. Because that was when I bought the modeling paste, and I just wanted to do like flowers with the modeling paste and just, you know, really thick. And then I thought, oh, I've never done it before, I don't know, shall I try? I do still want to try it, but at the moment I'm obsessed with something else, with another design. And I'm gonna do that, and it's like pop art kind of thing. And if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with unicorns and also sunflowers. But this is going to be all flower theme. And I'm going to do like pop art flowers kind of thing. And I've got 5 of them. I've already primed them with a little bit of gesso. So then it's going to be easier to paint them. And to paint them, I'm not going to use acrylic paint as such, unless it's strictly necessary. But bear with, I've invested on these acrylic markers. I've seen a lot of videos of people using them and like colouring and all of that. I've invested on 48 of them. Yes. So I'm going to be using them. I'm not sure how far they're going to go, but I'm going to use as much as I can. I'm not sure if they're going to be enough to cover all 5 boxes, but and if they don't work, I can do a comparison. I can use the Arrtx acrylic markers, but also we'll be using my uni postcards. I bought these for my big birthday a while ago. Look at them. I fell in love with this. It's just like, if like me, you're a child of the 80s, this is my childhood right here. They were so cool, so cool. But anyway, so these are the materials, and now let's get on to what I'm gonna draw. I've seen few artists just doing pop art kind of paintings and stuff, and I was like, oh my god, they look amazing. I really want to do that. And I did something similar when I created my foam clay brooch, and I did all the lines inside, and it's just going to be a mixture of like, I don't know, I think it's the mandala kind of thing, like the painting with all the dots. I'm not going to do dots, but it's going to be like, I don't know, trying to replicate sort of those designs and incorporating the pop art. Let me show you what I mean, because I'm getting confused myself. These are the doodles I do. So it's going to be something like this. So just drawing flowers here, there and everywhere, and leaves, as long to just fill up the whole area of the box. And the plan is, I draw on this, and then I move it along, and then I'm going to carry on the draw onto this, and so on, and I'm going to move the drawing. So when you put them all together, they're going to be just one long design. Although, when I put them on the wall, there will be a gap in between them. And what I'm planning to do, The base, I probably will be painting it with acrylics, and I want to do like a pinkish background, and I'm going to show you because I have done something similar on Procreate. Well, something that I want to replicate on Procreate. So I've done it digitally, and then I'm going to show you the idea. But this is one of the sketches that I'm going to be referring to. And then, as you can see here, I've been playing with different colors and different materials as well, but clearly that it's not working. This is like wax crayons. But yeah, so this is the Uniposcas, and this bit was done with the Arrtx acrylic pens. So it's going to be interesting to see the contrast, because it looks like the Uniposcas are really thick, but I don't think the Uniposcas are what they used to be. So they're a little bit of a letdown now. But let's see. As I said, I don't think the markers that I've got, like the Arrtx, are going to be enough to do all 5 boxes. So I will have to do a mixture. And then if it comes to it and I have to use the brush to paint, then so be it. This is a printout of the design that I did on my iPad. But let me show you on the iPad because I think we can look at it better. Here it is. So there we go. So this is the kind of thing that I want to do. I hope you can see it properly. So that's it, like these kind of designs, and see where it takes me. It's just because I like doodling like this. This is the concept. But what I will be doing, first of all, I will be drawing everything that I want to do on all of the canvases. And canvases? They're not canvases, they're boxes. They're wooden boxes. And once I've done it, I'm going to start colouring in. I'm going to start in all like putting the colours in. And I will be starting with the Arrtx markers. And these markers are very similar to the Uniposcas. But instead of pushing down on the nib, you press the valve that you've got at the top until the whole nib just gets soaked up. And they've got a brush nib, which I absolutely love. It goes without saying that I had to try them all. And I did create a swatch, so I've got the reference for the colours that I can use and do a colour combination. This is very exciting. I'm very, very excited. I've never used these markers before, but I heard good things about them. So let's see how I get on, and I'll let you know whether I like them as much as I do now. The little bit that I tried, I liked. So see if I'm not going to change my mind about these. But I'm going to stop faffing about, and I'm going to start drawing and then colouring in. I'll see you later. Pop art. Oh my god, this project was so much fun. As you can see, I'm just drawing like really simple lines, and they're the best. That's what pop art is all about, because it's all flat colours and they're just sort of made pop it. Like when you then do all the doodling inside the shapes, that's when it pops up. And it's all about laying the base color and then using either a lighter color or a contrasting color to do the doodling inside those shapes. As you can see, I've just tried some of the colors, but the best way to do this is just to do all your outlines first, and then make sure that you erase all of those pesky pencil lines, because those kind of markers, they don't cover graphite. So you better just make sure that you erase all of them. And then the next step is just colouring in inside. Don't worry if you go over the black lines, because that is what you actually need to do. And the reason being is that because if you colour inside the lines and don't touch the black, you leave like a little gap of uncoloured, or it looks unfinished, and it looks like there's an edge inside. So don't worry, go wild, go over the lines, because then at the end you will go over with the black again, and it will make like a really nice smooth finish. Once you've done all your base colour, then you can start doing all the doodling and all the lines inside the shapes that you've already done, and that makes it pop, and that's what it makes it pop art, and it's just it's so much fun. And all you need to do is just let your creativity loose and just do what you feel like, any shape or anything, and it's so much fun, so much fun. And it actually did not take me as long as I thought it would. It was because I really enjoyed it. It was great. Yay, all of the boxes are ready, but let me show you. I painted this, and this, and this one, and that one. Oh my God, I'm really, really pleased with how the boxes turned up. And off camera, I painted the edges of the boxes burnt amber, and that is just so then you don't have like empty sort of edges, and they pop out a little bit more. I know at the beginning I said that I was going to do like a pink base and I was going to do them green, but then I thought no, because there's no way that either the Arrtx markers or the uni Poscas were going to be enough to do all of the edges of the 5 boxes. So I've opted for this, and I did make a little bit of a mess because I painted it with a brush after. So you really should do the edges first and then do the painting on top. But hey ho, they came out all right. I'm happy with them. I'm pleased. So there we go. What do you think? Do you like them? I'm very pleased. It was so much fun. So much fun. It took me about over 3 hours to paint all of them. But it was so satisfying, so relaxing. I absolutely loved it, because this is a technique, it's a style that you don't have to think about it too much, and you just make these shapes and then you just fill them in. But yeah, I'm really, really pleased. What do you think? But let me talk to you about the markers. This was my first time using the Arrtx marker. Here they are. So how did I find them? I loved the nib. I absolutely loved the brush nib, and they're so easy to use, and it goes on really, really smoothly, and the coverage is really good, to the point you can't really see the difference between the uni Poscas and the Arrtx markers. The only thing is the uni Poscas that let me down a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually, I know that was a smaller nib. So yeah, it's just not covering well. But the coverage is good for both of them. And that was painted with the Arrtx, and it's just brilliant. I absolutely love it. You can't see the streaks or anything. And overall, I am impressed. I'm really, really impressed with the markers. And they're so much cheaper than the Uni Poscas. But I have to say, for this project, I did need a combination because the pop art graphic or art of illustration, it needs like big, bold, black borders, and then you just color in the middle. And I couldn't have done it without the Uni Poscas, because I think this, the black of the Arrtx, I don't think it would have gone as far as the Uni Posca did. I should have tried really, but I wasn't confident, let's put it this way. So I decided to go with the Uni Posca. Also with the Uni Poscas, I've got like the bigger nib, but these are brilliant. The only annoying thing is because this is a valve and you just press the top bit to release the color, it comes with these like little plastic covers. When you shake, because you do need to shake the marker to just make sure that the nib is like soaked in color, they keep popping off. So I've been picking them up from the floor because every time I shake them, it's like, pew, pew, they fly everywhere. So that's the only annoying little thing. But it's something that I can get over. Not a deal breaker. And as I said, it was so smooth. I love the nib. And the price, they're way cheaper than Uni Poscas. The only another thing that it's not an issue, but the color range, there were no shades of brown on a box of 48. Yeah, there's no really shades of brown, and these are goldish, and it's not a brown that I like and I wanted to use. So yeah, but I guess you buy different boxes. They do all different kinds of things. And by the way, this is not sponsored by Arrtx. I bought the kit myself just because I've seen a lot of people using them and I wanted to do a pop art project, and I thought, oh, I like them. I like the look of them. So I'm gonna buy them. And here I am. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope this is a project that you enjoyed. It's just that it's so simple and so satisfying, and it's so relaxing. And if you're doing like a little bit of a smaller version of this, these are perfect. Well, they were perfect for this as well. Obviously, certain bits, it's I needed a little bit of help, but not a lot. And also, another thing, I struggled recently with the coverage of the white Uni Posca. But look at this. Look at the Arrtx marker. Oh my God. It's perfect. I was like, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm going to put them on the wall and then show you the finished project, how it looks on the wall, because I have got an empty wall over there waiting for these to go on and just give it a splash of color. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, I'm on Ko-fi, and I've already got a few of you supporting me on Ko-fi. So if you would like to support my channel, why not buy me a coffee? And the link is going to be in the description. There's going to be something amazing coming up, because with you amazing people, with your support, I've been able to get other equipment. So there's big things coming. So stay tuned and subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video comes out. Because as I said, the support from you guys on Ko-fi has been put to good use, and the video is going to come up soon, and I'll show you what I've been up to. But thank you so much for watching for now. Take care. Bye bye.